Hey there, out here putting up arbor. Well, the wife is. I'm just kind of helping. Uh, these posts here, these are for the better melon on this side over here. We run eyelets across here with some steel wire for a trellis. Just post to post and then tie them off the string, go vertically. And then put them here, and then there's a break right here. And then the cucumbers go right here on this side, same thing, eyelets wire, and then a break right here. Then down here we're putting long beans, asparagus beans, yard long beans, whatever you want to call them, really long green beans, which aren't really green beans. They're not even in the same family. They're in the same family as field peas. They're just really long. Like those, they're tasty. Uh, so we're putting these posts in here, and then we'll have them wire up over top of here. So the beans will run up over top, or bitter melon will run up over top out to here, because they'll grow 20, 30 foot long if you don't pinch them off. And then this will be open. So you'll have a little canopy over here for herbs, plant the herbs up underneath the canopy here. When it actually grows up, it won't take long. This stuff shoots off and it grows like crazy. And then the same thing with the cucumbers. We'll string those up, they'll come up over the top here, and little canopy out to same area about right here, and plant some stuff up underneath there. And the long beans, I don't think we're going to do a canopy on those. Probably just let them grow straight up. Uh, didn't plant any edible loofah this year. We were bottle gourd. Uh, really, that's about it. There's field peas over here on these rows here, the ones that are coming up. There's the sunflower that's opened up even more now. I think that's squash down here, and peppers. I don't know if that's squash or not, really. I can't tell. Uh, eggplant, and I think shiso or something like that. It's just the green, really. I think that's squash in here. It's probably planting those squash too close together. Uh, I can't even remember what that is. It's got little purple shoots on it. That might be basil, Thai basil or something like that. Let me smell it. Oh yeah, that's basil, Thai basil, regular Genoese basil, I think. Uh, tomatoes. Squash you found over here growing from last year, where we probably didn't pick them and they just kind of busted open and left seeds on the ground. So we'll plant those. She already dug them up and put them in compost and pots. So we'll move those. Probably put them back over here. Stuff did really good over here last year. That kale's going crazy. I just pinched all the tops of it. I'll probably be making some kale this week. Just like the greens in there. Uh, but we'll get these things up probably tonight. I don't know that I'll get the wire strung tonight, but at least we'll have the posts in. I'll probably do the wire tomorrow, or start doing it. Got another pack of eyelets. I should have enough because I got some left over out of them end posts. I can use that one there and that one up on the end. I can take off of there and run down here, and I got an extra pack of them anyway, just in case, with some wire, some more wire, because I'm going to need wire for this thing. But that's about it. I'll do more when I get these things up all the way, or when the wife gets them up. You know, I'm just kind of doing whatever the hell she tells me to do. German thyme and Greek oregano, maybe. I can read the damn things. Italian oregano. There's some rosemary there. And mint. I like that mint in my tea. Really, that's about it. There you go. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz, and we'll keep this up as we go along. It's a late start this year, but better late than never.